Hi there, this is Steve at STO N SHO. Today we're at the BMW dealership. We're going to do a fitment on a BMW XM, which is the hybrid for the SUV. And there's the side there, and there's the XM. There's where the electric plug goes in. And this one has, and I think they all do, have a eyeball there, the adaptive, or in this lower center. So we have to mount it to the right. We're going to mount it on the driver's side here. So we're going to try to fit it in between the center and this edge off here on the driver's side. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And I'll go ahead and turn it over to Mike.
Okay, thanks Steve. Alright, and like Steve said, this is going to use factory fasteners, but it is going to have to be mounted off to the right as you're looking at the car, or driver's side as you're sitting in the car. Now we're going to be removing two screws. We're going to be moving the one, there's like here center. We're going to be going just right of center, and here we're going to skip one right there. So we're going to go here, skip, here. So this one I know looks like it could be a little confusing, but we're going to take that factory screw out. We're going to take this factory screw out. These are 10 millimeter, 4.8 by, I don't know, gosh, look like maybe 15 or 18 with a 10 millimeter head. We will not be reusing those. We're going to put those off to the side. Instead, we're going to be using a 4.8 by 25, a little bit longer, and a 1/4 inch spacer. So we'll go ahead and we're going to put the fastener through the base plate. Go ahead and get that started. Then we're going to put this one in here and do the same thing. And I actually misspoke. These are going to be 4.8 by 32s, not 25. So again, they're going to be, we're going to use a little bit longer one. And we'll just start tightening these up. Again, it's important, as you saw me do, I started one, then I started the other one before I started tightening anything up. And then I go back through and I go ahead and they're going into a metal J clip, so you can tighten them up pretty good. As you can see, I can put a pretty good turn on that. So there you go, nice and solid. So once that's done, all you have to do is grab your pull pin, you know, get it so it just passes the pull pin, and push it till you hear it click into place, and there you go, you're done.
And make sure from time to time to lubricate your pull pin. And very important thing, we've had a few people of late that have gone through automated car washes and not removed their front plate, and it will get damaged. You have the big rollers that come down there that weigh a lot. So make sure that if you go through a car wash that you remove that front, because it will get damaged. And there's the front view there, and your license plate will go onto the front plate, and you are done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10 millimeter socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.